In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a simple automation inside System.io that sends you a happy little new subscriber email anytime someone joins your list. If you're a coach, healer, or content creator, you know how powerful an email list can be. It's the start of your business journey. And in the beginning, your hope meter is running high. You've got a new lead magnet, you've shared it on social media, and now you're logging into your System.io account once, twice, maybe 5 times a day, hoping to see hundreds of subscribers. And this is what you get. 2 new leads over the last 31 days. What no one tells you is this: it can take days, even weeks, before someone outside of your inner circle trusts you enough to hand over their email. So you start checking less often. You wonder if something's broken. You second guess your lead magnet, the design of your capture page, the colors. You rework your messaging, and suddenly you're slipping from that self-starting stage of being so excited into the self-stopping stage. So let's stop that cycle before it starts. And we're going to do that by creating a simple automation within System.io that's going to let you know when someone subscribes so that you don't even have to think about going into check anymore. So this is how we set it up. We go into automations and rules. And if you are part of the Legacy Builders program, or if you already have a System.io account, you probably know how to do these things. I'm going to focus on only one part. So each of these boxes within this automations rules page is a separate trigger. Something is happening and then something else is going to happen in reply to that. So we're looking here at the funnel step form subscribe. And what that is that's my capture page. That's this page here. When someone comes here and enters their email address and they click yes, send me the mini guide, this is what's going to happen. This is what they did. This triggered the actions. Legacy Builders program, it teaches us to add a tag. This is the legacy tag. It also teaches us to subscribe the person who enrolled to an email campaign. And when you join Legacy Builders now, we receive templates for 30 emails. They're pre-written. All you have to do is go in and update them, change them to reflect your story, your personality, your ideal customer. And it's awesome. But what it's missing, and it's missing because it's an optional step that not everyone is going to want to care about. But I do, because I was coming and checking my dashboard 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 times a day, every time I posted something on social media, because I was so excited and I wanted people to sign up. And when it was wah, 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 no one showing up, it was disheartening. It was breaking my spirit. It was taking time to come in here and check every day. And every time I saw there were no new subscribers, because 2 subscribers in 31 days, that's not heart-stopping in a good way. So let's go back to our automation. So here's what you do. You click into your funnel or into your automation rule. This is what's happening. It's that capture page. The funnel step is up your social media marketing game. In fact, you can change that from what's provided with Legacy Builders program, and I'll create a separate video showing you how to do that. This is what we're taught in Legacy Builders program, is to add the tag and to subscribe them to an email campaign. Here's the secret hack. Go up to here to this little plus sign and click on it. We want to select send email to a specific email address. And then we're going to choose our email, and we're going to choose the email. Now I've created this one already, but let's create a new email message. We're going to put a subject line. I did mine with new lead, and I put in this business name because I could have others later, who knows. And then a preview. I like a big woohoo to get my excitement up. Now this is a message that's coming to you. So I wrote mine to be motivational to me. So I wrote something like, yay, we're on our way to changing people's lives, to changing someone's life. We are doing what we came here to do. This is so exciting. Dream on, girl. something that when you read it, it's going to catch your attention. It's going to raise your vibration. And then you go down here, you click save. And then you want to make sure you come up here and save rule, because you can see we still have the add a tag, subscribe to campaign, send email to a specific email address, save rule. And now you can see anytime someone comes to my page, puts their email address in here, yes, send me the mini guide, and they are automatically going to start on a journey with me. They've added a tag, they're subscribed to a campaign, and I'm going to get notified that they're here. Now, you may be wondering, okay, Donna, but what happens when things really take off? Because I know it's going to happen, and I know it will for you too. And I'm starting to get 3, 4, 5, my email box is getting filled up with all of these emails. Help, how do I stop it? This is how you stop it. You go right back into the same automation rule, and you come down here. Just make sure you have the correct one. Send email to specific address. Click on that, and it's gone. Save the rule, and no more emails when you get a new subscriber. This is going to free up your energy so that you can keep moving forward. So if you have started and stopped over and over again because you look at your capture page, you look at your lead magnet, and you wonder, is this good enough? Is this the right one for me? Today, I invite you to step into the role of the self-CEO and break the cycle of starting and stopping your practice over and over and over again. Forward momentum is what's going to get you going. And by not worrying about or focusing on how many leads may or may not be showing up on your email list is going to help you just stay focused on your ideal customer, your ideal client, because that's how you're going to create the impact that you came here to create. Now, if you feel yourself caught in that cycle of self-starting and then self-stopping, that's a form of self-sabotage I talk about in the video that's showing up on your screen now. I hope you'll take a listen and step into that role of self-CEO. Have an amazing day.